Hello guys, in this tutorial we will see how you swap two numbers. So let's we have two variables. For example, if I take my variable name as a and if take the value as 10, then I take another variable called b and take the value as 20. Now in my program I want the output like this, a value to be 20 and b value to be 10. Now how do you swap these two values? Before I get started, please subscribe my channel and yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's start. Normally in different languages, we have different way to implementing it. But one thing is common in most of languages, which is you have to use a third variable to swap them. Before assign the value b to a, first I will take the third variable as temp and assign the value of a into the temp variable. Now I can write a equal to b to assign the value of b into the a variable. At last I can write b equal to temp to assign the value of temp into the b variable. So you are storing the value of a to temp, then you can copy the value of b to a and at the end you can simply saying b equal to temp. It will swap the value. Let's do the program. First we need to take the input. That is, we will ask the user to enter the numbers. Okay, so I will take my variable name as a, write int for integer value, input function to take the input from the user and write a message here, enter the first number. Next I will take my variable name as b and here I also use int for integer value, input function and a message, enter the second number. Now we will do the swapping process. Write temp equal to a for assign the value of a into the temp variable, then a equal to b to assign the value of b into the a variable, at last b equal to temp to assign the value of temp into the b variable. Now we need to print that. Print after swapping, print first number, comma a, print second number, comma b. First of all, we save the program, type a file name and save it. Now run the program, enter the first number and enter the second number. Look, after swapping the value of a is 20 and value of b is 10. Now the second way is swapping between two numbers without using third variable. So in this case we will do a simple formula. First I will delete this portion and write the formula here, which is a equal to a plus b, b equal to a minus b, a equal to a minus b. First of all we save the program. Now run the program. Enter the first number and enter the second number. Looks, it's working. The value of a is 20 and the value of b is 10. Now we understand how it's work. So let's see what is a equal to a plus b. Here a equal to 10 and b equal to 20, total 30. That's mean now a equal to 30. Next, what is b equal to a minus b? Here a equal to 30 as per previous result and b equal to 20. Now result is 10. That's mean now b equal to 10. Next, what is a equal to a minus b? As per previous result, a equal to 30 and b equal to 10. Now the result is 20. That's mean now a equal to 20. Now you can see our value is swapping. We have one more way to swapping these two numbers without using third variables, which is XOR. In computer language, the XOR swap is an algorithm that is use the XOR bitwise operation to swap the values of distinct variables having the same data types without using a temporary variables. So you can simply use caret symbol instead of this symbol, which is also known as XOR symbol. A equal to a caret b, b equal to a caret b, a equal to a caret b. First of all we save the program. Now run the program. Enter the first number and enter the second number. Looks, it's working. The value of a is 20 and the value of b is 10. That's it from this video. Thank you.